mango sweet, so truly know your mango sweet. Tell me how it ripe and sweet.
Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha, guys. Welcome. So as you guys can see from the title, this is a prep with me vlog. Your girl is going to Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, today's Friday and I leave on Sunday. So I'm just gonna run through some of the prep stuff that I've been doing. I have not traveled out of the country during COVID at all. So this is the first, and I haven't been back home since Carnival 2020. But I just got back from a trip. I came back from the West Coast a little while ago, just walked in the house, and this is all the packages of stuff that I gotta take to Trinidad. This is my suitcase here. I got this covering from Amazon to just protect my suitcase. So I gotta unpack what's in here and then go ahead and figure out packing everything that I have here. Which the boxes look like a lot, but this is all that I'm taking out from each box to pack. So yeah, so I'm getting my hair done tomorrow in knotless box braids. I just did like a flat twist, two flat twist deal on my hair to stretch it without using a blow dryer. I'm gonna use a blow dryer in the morning, but it's not gonna be that much heat because it's already stretched. So I'm getting my hair done tomorrow at 7 a.m. I'm also getting my nails done tomorrow. Nails are looking kind of rough. I'm getting them done tomorrow as well after I get my hair done, and hopefully I can finish packing tonight. And yeah, what time is it? It's 7:07. So hopefully I can get done packing tonight and get some sleep because your girl is tired and I'm hungry. I put some fish and sweet potato fries in the air fryer. I did a COVID test yesterday because, why is it so bright? I did a COVID test yesterday because Trinidad requires you to have your COVID test done within 72 hours of traveling. So I did that yesterday, but I'm not too sure if they want it done 72 hours of your departure or your arrival. So I took another one today when I came back. So I just took another one. Hopefully they both come in tomorrow so I can fill out the health pass and everything. So those are the sweet potato fries up top, and then the fish at the bottom. I did these breaded cod from Trader Joe's. I love these. So I'm gonna take the fries out because they look like they're pretty much done, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave the fish in for the additional 10 minutes. Well, 11 minutes. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hopefully by then I got a lot of the packing and stuff done, but we'll see. Alright y'all, so it's now almost midnight. I've gotten most of the hallway like cleared up. And those are just the pillows that came in the sheet sets. That's gonna be trash. So the box is broken down. Here's my suitcase. I still have some stuff up here that I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with. Right now the suitcase is coming in at 44 pounds. I have this TV that I want to take, and then I have this speaker in this white bag, and I'm gonna see if all of that could fit in my carry-on. Then I still have my backpack. But I have an early day tomorrow, so I think I got a lot accomplished. All of my clothes are in the bag. I need to buy one more bathing suit because right now I just have one bathing suit that fits. So, well, two that can work, but I need one more. So I'm gonna try to go to Target tomorrow sometime within my crazy day. Try to go to Target, and I need to go to the bank tomorrow too, so yeah. All right guys, same day. I just blow dried my hair a little bit. Yeah, it's growing, so I just lightly blow dried it. I decided to just blow dry it now so I don't have to worry about doing that tomorrow. So it's blown out and it's kind of shrinking up already because it's hot in here, but it's gonna do. I'm not gonna blow dry it anymore. Yeah, so see you guys officially tomorrow. Okay, hey guys, so good morning. I'm heading to get my hair braided right now. It's 6:48. It says I should be there by 6:55, and I have to be there by 7, so we're all good right now. I had to basically like rush out of the house, like rush, literally rush. But I'll see you guys. Y'all, guess what? The girl is back home. Freaking, the lady said that apparently she had an emergency this morning and she had to go to the hospital. So got there at 6:57 and couldn't get my hair done. Right now it's 7:38, so I'm back and about to get in the house. About to go take me a good old nap. My nail appointment was supposed to be at 5, but I'm gonna try to get there when they open at 10. I just don't like how anybody else do my nails. Like, this is somebody else did this and I don't like it. And the girl, she's not available until, so my hair appointment is rescheduled for 2 p.m. I know, but my nail appointment was supposed to be at 5. So I gotta see how this whole day is gonna play out. I wanna sneeze. But I'm about to go and take me a nap. Hey y'all! Hey! So I gotta pause the video right here and catch you guys up. So I left the house around 8:30 and I went ahead and went to Target and got the bathing suits and stuff that I needed. And then I called the nail salon to see if they could squeeze me in a little bit earlier. They were able to give me somebody random, so I decided to just go and get my nails done early. But then when I got to the nail salon, the girl that's braiding my hair, she ended up texting me and told me that I could come earlier if I liked. So I decided to leave the nail salon before they got started, went and got my hair braided, and then went back to the nail salon by 5:30 for my appointment. So everything just kind of worked out. So that brings us up to right now. So right now it's 7:30 and your girl has finished her hair. And guess what? We went back to the nail salon. It's so bright. And there it goes. Nails are done. All right, we're ready. I already checked in online and I did the TT pass, it's called, already. I got my boarding pass already. I just need to go home and finish packing, and I need to make one more stop to Target. I was at Target earlier and I got a bathing suit top. It's orange. I got this bathing suit top as well. This one is medium. I'm gonna return this right now. I ordered large online, but it's just not, they don't have it in stock. And then just white, whole body white bathing suit that I tried on. So I'm going back because I ordered some high waist black bikini bottom that I couldn't find while I was there, and I got it on online. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna go get that. I mean, this fits, but it's just too tight. So I'm gonna return this. This year we're not keeping stuff that we don't want, okay? So I'm gonna return this top and pick up those bottoms, and then I'm gonna head home. Y'all, I'm hungry, I'm tired. It's literally been all day. Literally all day. And it's about to be all night, but at least I did most of my packing already. And I have this video I want to do a voiceover for and upload tomorrow before I leave. So she left a lot of my edges out because, as you guys know, my hair is thinning over here in these areas. But I don't really care for the way she did the baby hair, so you know your girl is gonna adjust that as soon as I get home. But let me know how you guys are liking the color. A nice browned mix, blonde brown mix. Let's go to Target and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so made it to the airport. Have my carry-on backpack. My bag was a little overweight, but the lady didn't really give me any trouble. So about to take off. I just show you guys like some b-roll and stuff of the takeoff and the landing, and stay tuned for the Trinidad vlogs. All right.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.